Since we've lived here, we've started noticing the air quality in the house going down. We have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old, and when they were younger, we started having a lot of respiratory problems.
Zoned heating and cooling is easier than you think with the Perfect Aire Quick Fit Mini Split. These systems are perfect for use as cooling or heating solutions for more challenging applications. And best of all, you can install these systems yourself. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. A perfect project for any hardy DIYer. This pre-charged system is as efficient as it is effective. With no costly ducts to install, maintain, or get in the way of your comfort, an energy-efficient quick-fit mini-split system gets up and running easily to deliver cooling or heating right where you need it, when you need it. Even better, Perfect Aire Quick Fit Mini Splits are Wi-Fi compatible and include temperature sensing remote controllers to better, more accurately adjust temperature settings in the space you're in. Quick Fit Mini Splits are great for a variety of spaces and rooms, offering excellent energy efficiency, sleek design, and a low-profile footprint that will complement any space.
We are so happy with our new mini split air conditioning system.
Not only is our house so much cooler, but the temperature is perfect for everyone, and we're saving a ton of money.
Say hello to your year-round comfort solution. Perfect Aire Quick Fit Mini Splits. Comfort built to last.